Hey, home care bosses, Sudan is here. How you guys doing? Welcome to our midday live. If you are here, let me know that you are here. If you are catching the replay, hashtag replay. Let me know that you are here. As you come in, please let me know where you are listening from. I would love to know. So let me know where are you listening from as you come in. If we haven't met yet, I'm Sue Dennis, the Home Care Agency startup and growth expert, and we help you start, grow, and scale your profitable home care agency so you can have more of a life, more freedom, more flexibility, and more income. If that's what you're looking for, just say yes, Sue, in the chat. Say yes, Sue, in the chat. Yes, Sue, in the chat. So today live is going to be really great. The topic I'm going to cover is a question that someone in our community asked this question. Can you guys hear me clearly? If you can hear me, let me know in the chat. Put one in the chat. Let me know you can hear me clearly. If not, let me know. Let me know if you can hear me and see me clearly. Let me know. So, this live today, I'm going to answer a question that somebody in the group asked, in our community asked. The question was like, hey, it is tax season. How do I prepare my home care agency? How many of you would like to know that answer? If you like to know that answer, let me know. It's tax season. How do you prepare your home care agency? Number one, my disclaimer: I am not an accountant. I am not a tax expert, and I'm not gonna try to play one on online TV. Okay, let's get this part straight. Okay, I am not a tax expert. I am not a CPA, certified public accountant. I'm not trying to play one on TV, but from my experience, I will tell you some of the things that you need to know in order to prepare. The first thing that you need to do is, of course, if you don't have an accountant, find yourself an accountant, find somebody that can do your taxes for you. But you want to make sure you find someone, right? You want to find an expert. Number one, find a tax and accounting expert to do your taxes for your business. When you're looking for that person, you want to look for somebody who has experience doing taxes for businesses. Because doing taxes for businesses is different than doing your personal taxes. Totally different. It's not the same ball game. So you want to make sure that you are getting someone that knows what they're doing, someone who knows what they're doing, and they have done taxes for business before. That's number one. Find yourself an expert. Hashtag expert. Go ahead. Hashtag expert. Hashtag expert in the file. And when you find yourself an expert, they're gonna have to direct you and let you know which type of tax form do you have to fill out. Because it depending on how your business is set up, you're gonna have to file different tax form. Okay, so it depends on how your business is set up. Everybody's business is set up a different way. So for us, our businesses is set up as an S corp. Okay, and because our business is set up as an S corp, when we're doing our taxes, there are different forms that we have to fill. If your business is like a single member LLC, there's gonna be a form for you to fill. It's not gonna be the same form if your business is a multi-member LLC, right? It's not gonna be the same form if your business is an S corp. It's not gonna be the same form if your business is a corporation. So it is really important, based on how your business is structured, that is gonna basically say which tax form that you have to fill out. Are you getting this? If you're getting this, put I'm getting this in the chat. Put I am getting this in the chat. If you are getting this, put I am getting this in the chat. Put I am getting this in the chat. Okay? Put I am getting this in the chat. Like what I just say here, depending on how your business is structured, that's gonna dictate what type of form that you have to, what type of tax form that you have to file. Single member LLC has a different type tax form than multi-member. LLC that are taxed as corporation have a different tax form. S corporation have a different tax form. So you have to understand that. The first thing, remember, find yourself an expert, understanding like what tax form that you need to fill out. Second thing, I want you to hashtag gather. Actually, hashtag records. Hashtag records. Hashtag records. This, what I'm gonna say right here, it's something that you should have been doing throughout the year, but now, even now is a time for you to really focus on doing this. You're gonna have to find all of your records, like all of your records. You want to get all of your records in one spot for your tax professional in order for them to fill out to know what to do for you, because you have to provide them with the information. Okay, you have to provide them with your record. They cannot make things up for you. You're gonna, because that's fraud. You're gonna have to provide them with your record. Now you may say, Sue, what type of record are you talking about, right? I'm talking about like your receipts. I'm talking about like your bank statement. Debit card statement, credit card statement, right? I'm talking about like your payroll records. They're gonna need those things. I'm talking about like your balance sheet, your income statement. Those are the records that I'm talking about. And also like any time, because as business owner, if you didn't know that, as business owner, we do pay something called estimated taxes. So you want to be able to give them that so they know how much taxes you already pay, throughout the year, right? Is that making sense so far? And if that's making sense so far, if that is making sense so far, let me know. Let me know if that is making sense so far. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if that is making sense so far to you. So you're gonna need all of those records in place, because if you don't give them the record, they won't know what deduction they have to get you, right? They don't know what tax credits that you're gonna be eligible for. So that is why it is important that you have all of the records in place, so your tax professional can work for you and not for the IRS. If you don't have all your documentation, if you don't have all of your record, they're gonna work for the IRS while you're paying them and not for you. Because when you have all of your record, now they're gonna know, hey, this is a deduction that we can take for you. This is the credit that we can apply for you, and all of those stuff. Is that helpful so far? Do you guys have any questions? Is that helpful so far? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? If is that helpful so far? Let me know. If that is helpful so far, let me know. If that is helpful so far, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if that is helpful so far. Let me know. Let me know. And let me know if that is making sense for you or right now. Yeah, so you're gonna have to make sure you look for the deduct, like I said, the record is gonna help them know what deduction you qualify for. You want to have like your travel reimbursement, like when you go to a conference. So if you guys went to our conference in October, that we had last October, you want to make sure that is a deduction, right? That is a deduction. That's education and travel. So all the travel that you did, like you get on the plane, all of that is tax deductible. So you want to have all of those information to provide to your tax professional so they can apply this as a deduction for you. So if you came to our conference, the flight, the food, the hotel, the conference price, all of those are tax deduction. All of those are tax deduction that you need to supply to the people who's gonna do your taxes, or any other travel that you do, any business mileage that you do. And that's why it's important that you are tracking those. Throughout the year, you need to be tracking your business mileage throughout the year. I use an app called Mile IQ to like track my mileage. So when it's time, and QuickBooks does that too. They can track your mileage. So when it's time for the end of the year, I can have all my deduction. But you have to be doing this throughout the year. Yes, the conference is tax deductible. And while we're talking about the conference, the flight, the hotel, all of this is tax deductible. And today we are doing a raffle at 6 p.m. for somebody to win a conference ticket. The conference raffle ticket is only $50. Only $50 for the raffle ticket. So you can get your raffle ticket right now. My team can drop the link in the chat. You can get your raffle ticket right now. And later this evening at 6 p.m., I will come live and I will be doing I will still consider as a winner. You have to make sure that you get your raffle ticket right now. You have to make sure that you get a raffle ticket right now. So later on at 6 p.m. when I do the raffle, you may be one of the winners. So I'm gonna drop the link in here where you can get the raffle ticket. It's My Blueprint to Millions, myblueprint2millions.com/holiday-raffle, myblueprint2millions.com/holiday-raffle. I'm gonna put it on the screen real quick. It is on the screen. So make sure you get in right now and get your raffle tickets right now. Get your raffle tickets right now. Get your raffle ticket right now. And when you participate in the raffle, you get a chance to win a free ticket to our 2023 conference, Blueprint to Millions. You get a chance to win a free ticket to our 2023 Blueprint to Millions conference. And your flight is gonna be a tax deduction, your hotel, your food, all of that is gonna be a tax deduction, and possibly even the $50 that you do for the raffle is possibly a tax deduction as well. So you wanna make sure you get in the raffle right now. We're gonna draw the raffle tonight at 6 p.m. But you have to purchase your ticket before that time in order to be eligible. You have to purchase your ticket before that time in order for you to be eligible. Who's gonna participate in the raffle? If you're gonna participate in the raffle, put me in the chat right now so we know who is gonna be a participant in the raffle. I know we have quite a few people in there already. So if you're gonna participate in the raffle, put me in the chat right now. Put me in the chat right now so we know that you will be participating in the raffle, so we can count you in. If you're gonna participate in the raffle, put me in the chat right now. Put me in the chat right a tax expert who is well versed in business taxes. You want to make sure you know which tax form that you have to file based on your business structure. You want to make sure you get all of your records together and gather all of your record. If you didn't do that throughout the year, this is the time for you to try to do this as fast as possible. Okay, so make sure you gather those records. Look out so that way when you have all your record, your tax professional can tell you what deduction you're qualified for, because that's really important, and what tax credit you are qualified for. As business owners, we need all the tax deduction, all the tax credit that we are qualified for. It's important. Example of tax deduction can be like your business mileage, travel, conference attendance. When you come to conference like Blueprint to Millions 2023, your flight is deduction, your meal, your hotel, your conference ticket, all of those are business deduction, right? All of those are business deduction. If you gave back to any charity, those are that are registered, those are deductions. So you want to make sure throughout the year you're paying attention to that. Was this helpful? Let me know in the chat. Was this helpful? Let me know in the chat if that was helpful. Let me know in the chat. And again, as I said earlier, we're doing today, we're gonna give away a free ticket to the Blueprint to Millions Conference 2023. I'm super excited. We're giving away a free ticket to our conference, Blueprint to Millions 2023. The conference is set to happen June 13th to the 16th. It's gonna be in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. You're gonna spend 3 days with me. Blueprint to Millions is the only conference in the home care industry that's really gonna Awesome. Thank you for being here. I had a quick, my internet, I don't know, for whatever reason, my computer just dropped. So where I stopped, if you hear say hello, can you guys hear me? If you're here and you can hear me, say hello. Let me know that you are here. And thank you for being patient with me because I was there and like my computer just blanked up just like that. So thank you for staying. And I think we're back. So if you're back and you can hear me, say hello. So what I was saying about our conference, Blueprint to Millions is gonna happen next year, Fort Lauderdale, June 13th to 16th. We're gonna spend 3 days together. Blueprint to Millions, y'all, is the only conference that will truly give you the blueprint to your $1 million home care agency. Let me tell you, this morning I saw somebody put a review. She's like, I went to Sue's conference with what I learned, things I was trying to do by myself for years. I was able to learn things at the conference and accomplish those things in months. And it's only been 2 months since the last conference, okay? So it's not your regular conference like you've been to. This is next level. There's nothing like it. You've never been to something like this before. So you wanna make sure you're in the room. Our regular ticket price will be like $1,000, right? But guess what? When you participate in the raffle, you can win a ticket for just $50 because the raffle, it's only $50. And if you win, you get a ticket. And the ticket only costs you $50. So you want to make sure you participate in the raffle. The next drawing is at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So go ahead right now, purchase your raffle ticket. Get your raffle ticket right now. Get your raffle ticket right now so you can get a chance to win our free Blueprint to Millions 2023 ticket. You can see the link to get the raffle ticket is in here. myblueprint2millions.com/holiday-raffle. Yes, let's go. I can't wait to see your name pop up for the raffle. And I can't wait to announce who's the winner tonight at 6 p.m. Before I get going, do you guys have any questions? Are there any questions for me? Do you guys have any questions about anything I said, whether it's about the raffle or whether it's about the conference? Do you have any questions whatsoever about anything? Just let me know. Let me know if you have any question. Awesome. So if you don't have any questions, I'll see you at 6 p.m. Get your raffle ticket. Prepare for tax season. See you at 6 p.m. for the drawing. I'll see you soon. I love y'all. Woo-hoo! See y'all soon.